How to implement management programs or EMP at home, part 1. In our last session titled Enhance Quality in Work Areas by Developing Environmental Management Programs or EMP, we have seen the role of EMP in enhancing improvements in environmental issues or aspects. It is an important or well known tool in bringing out environmental improvements with drawn out, structured programs stating who will perform, what they will perform, with the dates of completions of each task. In this session for all, we will prepare and implement environmental management programs at home. This EMP, if properly planned, prepared, and implemented, will bring down environmental impacts as a result of activities we perform at home. This structured EMP will also help us to know who will perform the duties or tasks, what tasks they will perform, and dates of completions of each task and eventually completions of the set EMP. Our session will be divided into the following: importance of proper EMP for domestic activities, identifications of activities, its environmental aspects, environmental impacts and causes, evaluations of environmental aspects into significant and non-significant based on severity, legal and other parameters, controlling of aspects with operational control procedures, drawing objectives and targets for significant aspects, and development of EMP. Lastly, we shall also deal with the benefits to be acquired from development and implementation of EMP. We will have ready-made formats for all steps, flow diagrams, which will help us to develop, implement, and reap benefits at your home. Let us discuss why we should prepare and implement EMP for our domestic activities. We come across news in the newspaper, media, etc., stating about fires in waste dump or landfills, which is supposed to be a central place for storage of segregated domestic solid wastes. This is stored before carrying out disposals as per the set norms. The fires are generally caused due to liberation of methane gas, or called as Mars gas, from wet waste by decomposition or mixed storage of waste accelerated by the ambient temperature. This fire sometimes becomes uncontrollable and lasts for many days, thus causing air pollution, loss of property, lives, diseases, and this becomes unbearable for inhabitants due to high air quality index, or they call it as AQI. Now let us see. As per the municipality solid waste rules of 2016, the latest version, the storage of waste should be in segregated form. It should start from generation point, that is our home. Henceforth, proper domestic waste solid management, we require to develop environmental management programs from storage at home, collection, transportations, and central storage, and finally the disposal action. We have seen that improper municipal storage of solid wastes or disposal leads to negative impacts like diseases, water and air pollutions with foul smells. Proper waste management leads to positive impacts like generation of CNG products and compost, that is the organic fertilizer which we can use in our daily life. Let us see the per capita domestic waste generation per day as per survey is about 0.5 kg per day, which increases by 1.3% every year due to urbanization. Out of this, about 60 to 70% is the wet waste or biodegradable waste, which can give both positive and negative impacts. As per reports, we have only 75 to 80% of the waste generated at home are collected, and out of this only 22 to 28% are processed or treated or recycled. Rest producing negative effects harmful to human. Here many agencies are involved and plays a major role in the society. Government of India under leadership of our respected Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has initiated government scheme and aids for recycling of waste, composting at homes, Swachh Bharat mission, awareness drives, and also amended the rules to the latest version of MSW, that is 2016. The roles are enormous, area involved is large, many agencies are involved in this waste management. I propose greater awareness drive implementations through development of EMP at homes. Let us all take part in this drive. Hence, let us all pledge to improve domestic waste solid management to curb negative effects by preparing and implementing EMP for homes and supported by all agency. Our practicing sessions will be in parts which will be supported by easy formats, roadmaps, diagrams to help one and all in developing the EMP and implementing them in the work area. Our next session, how to implement environment management program at home, part 2, will deal with practicing identification of activities at home, its environmental aspects, impacts, and causes. Thank you.